Hey there, this is Dave Gardner, your Now Lifestyle Master Trainer, and I'm super excited to be getting into the next video with you right now. In this video, we're going to talk about blocking a subscriber. Now, you might need to block a domain or block an email address from subscribing to more of your campaign. So let's say you are going through and you have a couple different campaigns. If you don't want someone to subscribe to future campaigns, all you have to do is enter their details right here. So if you notice, it says use this form to block a specific email address or domains from signing up to your current campaign. This form does not unsubscribe people who are already on your list. Okay, you'd have to actually go in and delete them if you want to get rid of them. And so one of the things that I found as we go through, you're going to want to put a note because it will actually show you down here what the note is, and it will tell you, in details whether it's the user or if it's a domain, why they were blocked or how many they were blocked, over time, and then what the note was for that. So, for example, I was getting, when I was doing some other things in the past, I was getting emails from these people, and I kept getting opt-ins and kept getting opt-ins, and they had these really weird string of numbers attached inside the domain name. And so I actually took the domain and, the names, it just didn't look right. So, if you think about the emails that I've shared with you in the last couple videos, a lot of times people's emails have their name in them and maybe a number or two, and then it might be at Gmail or something. But there's usually not just some long random string of numbers. So if you do seem to be getting a group of numbers, all you have to do is you can just enter the actual domain in here. You don't have to enter a whole email. You can just enter a domain. And one of the ones that I got was, and I looked it up because when you actually type in this, the search for supersendme.org, it was actually this series of bots, and it's like automated. So what that happens is if they will end up getting on your list, maybe if it's a double opt-in, they will just stay pending forever. If it's a single opt-in, they will start to mess up your rates because it might get bounced. And then that kind of looks bad on the system as far as your overall analytics. So keep an eye on the emails that are coming to you, or if you have someone that, maybe has been a pest or has been a problem, you actually have the ability to, in theory, fire them so that they don't keep getting on your list. Now, one word of note and caution, just like we've done in the other videos, you got to make sure that you select the correct campaign. So if they're on your dog lovers campaign, but you don't want them to join other campaigns, you'd actually have to go through and choose the other campaigns to make sure that they're just not going to your websites and trying to get on your list to cause you a problem. So that's the power of blocking a subscriber. Again, this has been Dave Gardner. Thank you for watching along with this training video. Hopefully you found some immense value. If you have any questions or comments, you can always join us and hit us up in the Facebook group or support tab up top. We really want to hear about your successes with these tools and how you're actually implementing them into your niche, because we want to help the family out. So as I always say, you get out of it what you put into it. And the big question that I always have for you is, with all these awesome tools that you have in the Now Lifestyle family, what will you create to make your legacy, and what will you create to help others so that you can make a difference in the world today?